Hello Year 5, it's Mrs Bastable. I hope you're all looking after yourselves. I'm really looking forward to today's lessons, so let's get started. So today you are going to find information by reading timetables. I'd like you to know that timetables can show quite a lot of information. They're usually seen in a two-way table like we looked at in our last lesson. And you'll know if you can do this if you can answer the questions accurately by interpreting the data in the timetables. Good luck! Let's warm up once more by practicing some of our division. This time we're going to take it up to level 5, so I'll give you 10 seconds to work out each answer today. Good luck! Fantastic! Let's see how you did. Question 1. You should have had 2. Question 2, 22. Question 3, 36. Question 4, 4. Question 5, 6. Question 6, 100. Question 7, 32. Question 8, 8. Question 9, 12. And question 10, 10. Excellent. Remember to use a coloured pen or pencil to mark your work and to give yourself a total out of 10. Well done. Because timetables often involve the time, let's warm up by having a go at these 4 questions. What is 3:55 p.m. in a 24-hour clock? Question 2. If a journey starts at 8:15 and ends at 8:50, how long is the journey? Question 3. A journey starts at 9:25 and ends at 10:10. How long is the journey? And question 4. A film is 1 hour and 20 minutes long. It ends at 6 p.m. So what time did it start? Remember, you can use a clock to help you if you need to. Good luck! And here are our answers. 3:55 p.m. in the 24-hour clock would be written as 15:55. You don't need the p.m. because we've gone into 24 hours. 1 o'clock would be 13, 2 o'clock would be 14, so 3 o'clock is 15. If a journey starts at 8:15 and ends at 8:50, it would be 35 minutes long. If a journey starts at 9:25 and ends at 10:10, that would be 45 minutes long. A film is 1 hour and 20 minutes. If it ends at 6, what time did it start? So you need to subtract 1 hour and 20 minutes from 6 p.m, which would make it 4:40 p.m. How did you do with this? Take a look at this timetable for Year 5. Can you answer the following questions? How long is playtime on Monday? How long do the children study English on Thursday? And how much time is there for PSHE? Now let's take a look at the answers to the questions on Year 5's timetable. So how long is playtime on a Monday? If we find Monday and go across, we can see that play is at 10:25, but the next lesson starts at 10:40. So that must mean they have 15 minutes playtime. Question 2. How long do children study English on Thursday? So if we find Thursday, we can see English is from 9 until 10:10. So that's 1 hour and 10 minutes. But we also have English here. And we know this slot is 15 minutes. So altogether they have 1 hour and 25 minutes of English on Thursday. And how much time is there for PSHE? Well, if we look on the timetable, PSHE is here on a Thursday and a Friday, and it's 11:45 until 12, which means each of them are 15 minutes each. So 15 times 2 means that there is 30 minutes or half an hour of PSHE. How did you do with these questions? Did you get the same answers as I did? Well done. Now look carefully at this bus timetable. We see the bus station, school, the swimming pool, the health centre and the library. If Annie leaves the health centre at 13:55, what time would she arrive at the library? Now looking at this bus timetable, we are told that Annie leaves the health centre at 13:55. So what time would she arrive at the library? Now, if we look across, 13:55 isn't a bus time, but we know she's too late for the 13:20 bus, so she must have had to have waited for the 14:20 bus, which means she arrived at the library at 14:35. Well done. Again, looking at our bus timetable. How long does it take the 14:37 bus from the school to arrive at the library? Not what time, but how long. Take care. And again with the same bus timetable. How long does it take the 14:37 bus from the school to arrive to the library? So if we find the school and the 14:37 bus, we know it arrives at the library at 15:35. That means there's a difference of 58 minutes. There's 60 minutes in an hour, remember? So if it was 15:37, it would have been a whole hour. So take away those 2 minutes, lets you work out we had 58 minutes on the bus. Did you get that right? Well done. Here is a timetable for Saturday at the main pool at a local leisure centre. Can you use this timetable to answer the following questions? Is this true or false? The family swim session starts at 9 o'clock in the morning. B. How long does the swim fit session last? C. During the day, how much time is allocated for swim for all sessions? And D. Why is the time between 9 and 12 divided into 2? And here is the train timetable from Leeds to London. Can you use it to answer the following questions? What time does the 12:45 from Leeds arrive in London? How long does the 13:58 train from Wakefield take to get to London? At which stations does the 14:15 train stop? And how long does it take to get from Grantham to Stevenage? Looking now at the timetable for the main pool at the leisure centre. Question A, true or false? The family swim session starts at 9. Well, if you look at the key, the family swim session is blue. And if we look up here, we can see that the blue starts at 9. So that is true. Well done. How long does the swim fit session last? If we look, swim fit is number 1, pink. And number 1 in pink starts at 7 and ends at 8. That would make it 1 hour long. During the day, how much time is allocated for swim for all sessions? Now, swim for all sessions are number 5, green. We have 1 full hour here, half an hour here, a full hour here, a full hour here, and a half an hour here. So 1, 2, 3 full hours and 2 half hours. Well done. That gives us 4 hours. And our final question. Why is the time between 9 and 12 divided into 2? See, we've got blue and orange. Well, that's because part of the pool is family swim. Whilst the other part, the orange part, are the swimming lessons. Can you see that? Great timetable work. Well done. And finally, let's take a look at our train timetable. What time does the 12:45 arrive from Leeds to London? So Leeds, 12:45, arrives in London at 15:01. How long does the 13:58 train from Wakefield take to get to London? We find Wakefield, find the 13:58 train, and it gets to London at 16:01. So how long is that? 13, 14, 15 would be 2 hours. And then we've got 58, 59, 4 o'clock, 01. 2 hours and 3 minutes. Did you get that one right? Excellent if you did. C. Which stations does the 14:15 train stop at? Well, where's the 14:15 train? Here. So it stops at Leeds, Wakefield, Doncaster, Grantham. It doesn't stop at Peterborough, but then it carries on to Stevenage and London. Stevenage and London. There we go. And finally, how long does it take to get from Grantham to Stevenage? Well done. 46 minutes. How did you do this time? Do you think you'd be able to read a train timetable in real life now? It can be really useful when you're planning a trip. Now it's time to think back to today's target. How did you do? Were you able to answer the questions accurately by interpreting the information shown in the timetables? And please don't forget to share your work with us at school. Remember, you can WhatsApp us, email us, or post it in our new school post box. Well done. Some great work today reading timetables. You've worked really hard during our statistics unit and should be really proud of yourselves. I'll see you soon. Goodbye.